Okay, good afternoon, everybody. This is Tim McKee with Market-Decoder.com. Today is Wednesday, August 26, 2026, and here are the trades that I took today. Let me get my drawing tools out. So, I had 9 trades for plus 67, not a huge day. Had a couple of losses in the trades, but as we went through the market, it got better. As we went through the day, the trading got better as we were able to see which direction the market was going. So, in the very beginning, we had this 2 minutes of swing high there, then pulled back and kind of went sideways into consolidation, and then kind of got itself reorganized and started working on a swing high. Got into the first trade, trade one, a call trade, thinking that this was a trend building up. Maybe we didn't wait as long on it, but it reversed right as we got in. So got out of this quickly for minus 28, and market went down a little bit and then started on another swing high and again got into this a call trade here on trade two, only to have the price reverse again on us. And this one held on a bit longer, thinking this would come back. That was a erroneous thought on my part. It did not come back. Ended up giving back 92 cents on that. So started out first 2 trades over 100 points in the hole, and then we started this nice long sell-off we had here. That came along, thank goodness. So got into trade three for a put um, on this sell-off. It was fairly deep into the sell-off before we took the first trade, but I got plus 48 on the first one. Then pretty much as soon as I got out of that, got back in for plus 58. Made back most of what I'd lost on those first 2 trades, and then got to trade five and ran out of runway as far as the sell-off was going. And it reversed, got out reasonably quickly, just gave back 56 cents on that, but still in the hole. And then price started climbing. We got into some consolidation here, and market started climbing again, and then just past the minor zone, got into call trade here for 25 cents, and then another call trade, trade 7 for 16 cents, and then price came down a little bit and then started its rise again and got into call 8, held it up to here for plus 42 cents, and then took a short break, came back and saw that price had turned around at the minor zone and went up and got in this last call trade for plus 54. So those were the trades that I took. Um, just got fooled on those first two. And I hate when that happens, when it looks like it's going to be a nice long trend and it turns out not to be. But it happens. Anyway, we ended up positive. 9 trades for plus 67. 67 times 20 contracts is 1,340. So the gross weekly total for Wednesday, this is for 3 days of work, for Wednesday is $6,040. Not bad. Still got 2 more days to this market. We can add to this considerably. Um, so that is it for today. Those are the trades I took, and that's how I took them. And this is Tim McKee with Market-Decoder, wishing you a great afternoon. We'll see you tomorrow afternoon. Bye for now.